If you live in the Stafford area of Brisbane and are trying to find that perfect clothesline or washing line for your home, Lifestyle Clotheslines can help. With the biggest range of clotheslines and washing lines in the Brisbane area, Lifestyle Clotheslines can help with a delivery-only service to your home so you don't have to worry about managing a clothesline into your car, or supply and installation if you need the assistance of a qualified clothesline installer to help with the setup and installation of a new clothesline in your home. A restringing and rewiring service is also available throughout the Stafford area if you have an existing clothesline that needs new cord or galvanised wire installed.
Okay, here's the Adeline 35. Easy purchase. They called me to make sure I had the right color. It's a great new color. It matches the house lovely. Installed fairly quickly. Put them on these plates up to the weatherboard, and looks like a quality product. There's enough line there so you don't have to worry about running out as you're putting it through. Instructions are very clear, and I look forward to using it. Of course, as soon as I put it in, this rain started. Ain't nobody got time for that. So, look, thanks Lifestyle Clotheslines, and we'll be sure to spread the word.
My name's Douglas. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I recently ordered the Hills 170 portable clothesline from Lifestyle Clotheslines. It took me less than 5 minutes to order it online. It arrived in less than 2 weeks, and I was able to assemble it myself in less than 1 hour. I'm very happy I got it. It's very solid, very useful for rainy days. I can hang large loads of wash on it. Thank you.
For any further information, tips or advice on finding the perfect clothesline for your Stafford home, please feel free to contact us today or visit us online at lifestyleclotheslines.com.au.